Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace text within Canva. It would be a fairly simple video, so let's take an example that we want to change the word sustainable within this presentation. So it could be any document, but for the time being I have this presentation and it has the word sustainable written in it multiple times. So what I'll do is I'll come over to any of the slides, and for this example we have chosen the word sustainable. So what I'll do is I'll go over to the file, and over here I'll go down and click on find and replace text, or alternatively you can press Ctrl plus F. So just click on it. After clicking you will see this tab over here. So this is the word that you want to find and replace with an alternate word. So for this example, let's say I want to replace sustainable with innovative, so I'll type that in, and I have now two options: replace all of these or replace the one that is currently present in this slide. So I can go with replace all. So wherever there was sustainable, it has been replaced with innovative. You can see that it was replaced from here and here as well. Now let's say you just want to remove the lowercase or the uppercase one. So for this example, let's say we have innovative with an I that is lowercase. So what we'll do is that we'll click on the match case as well. Let's say I want to replace lowercase innovatives with sustainable. Now after writing this, I'll click on replace all, and it would change all the lowercase ones with the alternate word. So that's how you are going to be changing and replacing text in Canva in a matter of a few simple clicks. Found this video to be informative? Also watch out the other videos on the channel as well.